Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel yet again. So as you can tell by the title, this is me trying a rice water leave-in treatment on my best friend's hair for the first time. And if you do not know who this beautiful head belongs to, it's Ashley McCray. I will have her link down below, and I will also have her handle in the corner, top right corner. I know y'all see it, it's right there. Look her up. Okay, so also before we get too far into this video, if this is your first time finding my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like, comment, subscribe if you have not already, and hit the notification bell so you're alerted whenever I post a new video. Okay, so let's go ahead and hop straight into the video. So what I'm doing right now is I attempted to brush her hair out, but y'all, her hair is so thick, this was not gonna work. So we're just gonna have to like finger detangle all throughout this video. So yeah, I tried to brush it, but it was definitely a no-go because y'all, my hair thin, I'm not used to brushing it out, and I just wanted to make this kind of quick and just kind of show you guys the process of what you would be doing if you did purchase this rice water kit, or just how to pretty much apply the rice water, how I apply it to my hair. So I did go ahead and take her hair and part it into small sections. Y'all, look how beautiful this color is. First of all, the color, the curls, the waves, all of that just popping. Okay, so I took this one section, but because her hair is so thick, I did want to go ahead and divide it into an even smaller section. And then I'll take the rice water and go ahead and spray that onto her scalp. So this is the rice water mixture, and this mixture does have castor oil, eucalyptus oil, peppermint oil, lavender oil, and lemongrass essential oil, all mixed into it together. And all of these ingredients do promote hair growth, and all of these ingredients will also help to stimulate your scalp and give you that nice cooling sensation, which to me, if you follow me, you know I feel like whenever your scalp starts to tingle, that's how you know your hair is growing, or at least that your follicles have been woken up or activated. So all I'm doing is just taking this spray and I'm going ahead and spraying it onto her hair, or onto her scalp mostly, and whatever else is just kind of left over through her hair, I'll just work it on through the rest of her hair. Now you can apply this to your hair all over, but I mostly try to focus it on the scalp, and every now and then I might go ahead and spritz my ends as well. But yeah, all I'm doing now is just parting through her hair and spraying it onto her scalp. And once we reach the end of this video, I'll go ahead and let you guys know what she did have to say about this product as far as what it feels like, because this is the first time of her using it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and let you guys know what she said, or her first thoughts of what the product pretty much did, or what she noticed about her hair. So yeah, right now I'm pretty much doing the same thing. So what I will do is, if I do something different, I'll go ahead and check back in and fill you guys in. But as of now, I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the rest of this video and enjoy the music as it plays over this video, and I will see you guys probably in like a minute when I check back in with you. And also, just to run through a few quick tips and benefits of using rice water to your hair. So rice water can be used for a ton of different things. You can use it for your skin, your hair, etc. But I'm mostly using it for my hair, and rice water is also really good for strengthening your hair, thickening your hair, making your hair grow at a faster rate, and just also softening your hair as well. So if you do not know, rice water does have one main ingredient, or kind of two main ingredients. It does have amino acids in it, and it also has an ingredient called inositol, which is found in rice. So that's pretty much the starchy substance that is pretty much left off of the rice when you do make rice water, and that is what really benefits your hair. If you do have damaged hair, the inositol in the rice does help to fill in the gaps in your hair strands. So it pretty much acts as a filler, just to kind of nourish your hair all over. And me personally, I like to spray it on my scalp, just to go ahead and put it in my roots so that it can kind of work its way down my hair strands. And then I spray it on the ends, because you know the ends always need an extra extra love, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, so I just wanted to go ahead and share that with you guys and just kind of talk about the benefits of using rice water. And it really honestly does make your hair grow at a faster rate, because I do have a few videos where I did kind of like a 2-week rice water challenge where I had my hair in cornrows for about 2 weeks, and I just sprayed rice water on my hair every day, and I did do a comparison of the length of my hair after the 2 weeks. Now granted, my hair is damaged and my ends are kind of thinning out, so I will definitely be trimming my hair soon, but you can definitely tell that my hair did grow in that 2-week span, and it did grow a pretty good amount in only 2 weeks. So if you are looking to grow your hair longer and you are looking to kind of have healthier hair, I would definitely recommend trying rice water. And you don't have to add all the ingredients that I add, but I've made it so easy for you. I've put together a kit for the rice water where you can pretty much purchase this kit, and it has all of the ingredients, all of the essential oils, and it comes in a 1 month, 2 month, and 3 month supply. I will have that link down below for you guys if you're interested in making that purchase and just trying out rice water the right way. Alright, so yeah, that's pretty much all I'm doing, still applying it to her hair, and I'll go ahead and let you guys know her thoughts. So after I did apply this to her hair, she did let me know that her scalp was tingling, which is definitely the point of using all of the ingredients that kind of help your scalp to be stimulated. So she did say that her scalp was tingling and she could feel the tingling sensation. She said that her scalp was feeling more open as far as the follicles and the pores on her scalp, and she did say she also noticed that it made her hair feel softer after I did spray it onto her hair as well. And as you guys can see, she has some literally very beautiful hair, so come on, I think she knows what's going on with her hair. So yeah, if you do want to try it, it will be linked down below for you guys. Also, if my voice sounds a little raspy, I do apologize. It is currently 4:50 in the morning, and I'm just trying to go ahead and get this video edited so I can have it up by maybe 8 o'clock or so. But yeah, I'm just trying to stay consistent with this whole YouTube thing. But yeah, pretty much still applying it to her hair, and I will check in with you guys at the end of the video when we are ready to wrap it all up. Like I said, this product will be linked down below, so if you do want to try it, definitely go ahead and click that link and read a bit more information about it as well. So I will see you guys probably in about 30 seconds. And also, last but certainly not least, one very important step when applying this rice water to your hair, I think it's very important to go ahead and massage it into your scalp. And kind of what this does is it takes the waking up your hair follicles to the next step. And massaging your scalp is just really good for blood circulation. And when your blood is circulating more thoroughly through your scalp, your hair will definitely grow. I kind of always recommend just going and massaging your scalp for at least like 5 minutes. If you can't do 5 minutes, just do 3 minutes. Like, just massaging your scalp for about 3 minutes out of the day, if you really want to see some type of hair growth in your hair. And y'all, look how long her hair is, long and thick. Like, it's just beautiful. I don't know what else to say. If you do want to see more of her natural hair, head on over to her YouTube channel, because that is where you can find it. So yeah, that pretty much is it for this video. I just wanted to apply that to her hair. Now I'm just spraying a light little mist over top of her hair just to give it a little added, you know, oomph or whatever you want to call it. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I do want to say thank you guys so much for watching my channel. If you guys have any video, oh, by the way, that's all the amount of shedding she has, like, she lost. That's nothing. Like, this is unhealthy hair. Anyway, that is all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and thank you guys again. I will see you guys next time in my next video, so goodbye. Hey guys, so I'm trying something new out with my content. So if you made it to the end of this video, you are definitely a trooper, and I thank you guys so much, so much for your comments and your support. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys next time in my next video.
Seems like breathing ain't enough to keep me floating. When I dive deep, I feel the pressures of the ocean.